Ladies and gentlemen, it's not always tropic exotic here in Creta. Today is the end of the November and I can't say that this day is so hot, for sure. But anyway, what we got? We got a commuter, an adventure commuter made by SIM, Sanyang Motors, Taiwan. So what about it? We have a SIM T300NH. And what about it? Is it a good bike? Yeah, it's okay. So let's find it in details. What we got in this motorcycle? We have only single stand, we don't have a double stand. We got steel made wheels, and this is good because they are tough, but by the other hand it's easier to have some corrosion on it. We got a street styling motorcycle steppers and not an adventure steppers. We got metal steppers, aluminium I suppose, or aluminum for the second rider. We got handles for the second rider. We got position for our top box that is for 5 kilos. We have those protectors for our bike if we will fall down. We got a nice position of riding, I can say. I feel very comfortable, it's a comfortable feeling. Everything is in a correct position. I have a small digital screen. The windscreen is not enough to protect me from the weather conditions. And what else? Let's see now with Georgia. Georgia, please come. Georgia always is a very heavy person, so that's why you see that the adjusters of the motorcycle now is on the end.
And I'm a little bit too cold.
How you feel, Georgia?
You see my legs here are not very good, but...
This is not the best position of riding. Can you do, for example, 20 kilometers out of the town?
It's okay for 20 kilometers.
30 kilometers? It's okay, but
I think, yes.
Can you travel with it as a...
It's not going to be easy.
No, it's not going to be easy.
No.
Okay, so it's not going to be easy to travel with two persons in this motorcycle, but of course this is a commuter, an entry bike, and it's not so necessary to travel with it. But it's okay, Georgia, go! We have also a USB connection here. It's not connecting your mobile with a clock, but anyway, it's charging and also can help some things to be functional, like a GPS, for example. What else? The mirrors give me good view back, and the design is not bad at all. Okay, not bad at all. Typical. Trip 1, trip 2, you change it from here. Kilometer counter, RPM counter, like a mountain. Voltmeter in change with hour. Here we got fuel counters. We got here a few bliblikia. Okay, and let's start it. Up to the hill and beyond. Yeah! Simple and nice. Simplicity that we have forgotten. Then I see this bike, and all these days that we ride it, there is nothing on it that you can say, wow, what they do on it, what is so nice. Everything is cool, everything is okay, everything is just okay. The plastics, they are not fit super, they are just okay. The seat, it's okay. The paint of everything black on this bike, this is lovely. Now, the rims that they are still made, for sure they are tougher than the aluminum, but they are more sensitive in corrosion. So, you can say that is positive or negative, depends from where are you living. Here that we are by the sea, I'm closer to negative. Now, what else? It's okay. It's a okay made bike. Okay, I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, everything is in the correct position. Let's hear it now. And yes, sounds nice. The gearbox is excellent, and let's go. Easy things, easy, everything is easy. We change directions now that we can do it easily, and now we will try to brake it. Nice and comfortable. So, lovely bike. Modern engine, 4-stroke, single, 8 valves, water cool, and give us 24 horses at 7,500 RPM and 22.5 Nm at 7,000 RPM. We got 6-speed, it's got the consumption of 3.2 liters per 100 kilometers, and we got 11 liters tank, and all the bike is 166 kilos. What about the engine? We take the bike with 0 kilometers, it's not ready yet. We have made a few hundred kilometers, but the engine is not ready yet. But anyway, it's an easy engine that moves you easily inside the city and outside of it. So, the most important in this engine is that it not need fuels. It's just smell the gasoline. And this is the most positive thing for the engine, that it's an easy engine, easy, quiet and easy. The vibration are not so many for a single engine. I have to tell you that unfortunately we got a see-through back brake tank, and the exhaust is very beautiful, I like it. Also, I like here the bark fork, that is a typical, simple, old things. Typical, metal made, nice welded back fork. What we got here, it's a typical for the category face, very small windscreen, is not bad looking. We got LED lights, the radiator is back of here and it's got no protection front of it. The fork, it's enough for the category, nice, and we have a 2-piston caliber brake and a single piston back. The back I don't like so much because it looks like they put a disc brake on a drum wheel, but anyway, they are functional, they are okay. Of course with a dual channel ABS, and lights are very good, and the horn, where is the horn? It's good. The tires now, they are soft enough. It's okay. Also, we got a plastic protection here for our engine, and it's okay. Everything is okay here. Okay, I will tell you the truth, and the truth is very simple. I don't know why, I know why, but this bike is much better in the dirt than I thought. You cannot make, of course, enduro, but the dirt paths are very easy for it. Maybe because it's light, for sure because it's light. The suspensions are okay, the frame is excellent, and the engine, it's very cool and easy. Not ask you for something. It's easy. So dirt paths and even a little bit more, unbelievable, but it's okay for this bike. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, what I like and what I don't. Let's start with a positive. I like the engine. The engine, even if it's not ready yet, it's an easy engine and economical one. I like it a lot. The position of the rider, it's fine, and doesn't matter if you are even 170. It's okay. Good for the entry level, good for the girls, good for everybody who wants a simple bike. Now, the bike is moving easily inside the city traffic. You see it's got big angles, very good inside the city traffic. The brakes are okay, and I will tell you now what is the negative for me. The negative for me is that I have now my bike in the stand. I opened the ignition and I started. It's not starting because my bike needs to be out of the stand to start. So that means that I have to be up on my bike to warm it up. The things are not so simple. If I'm going down to my garage or outside in the street that I have the bike, at the time that I put my helmet in, my jacket, and to do something, I leave my bike to warm up on a stand. This cannot happen with this bike because the single stand stops the engine of the bike. And we don't have a double stand. So, of course you're gonna be asking me, this is so wrong. Yeah, and also I don't have a bigger windscreen. That is, you can fix it probably. Georgia, first of all, tell us your opinion. Most of the girls like this style of motorcycles.
They like it? I don't know. I like it. As Georgia, I like it. I like the style. I like the easiness. I like the engine is okay. The brakes are okay. And yeah, I would like a little bit bigger windscreen.
Windscreen?
That's it.
And you don't feel so hot today?
No, not at all. I'm cold.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching. Πήμα να πω.
Δηλαδή θα κλάψω σε λίγο. Είπες το όνομα μου πρώτα από το δικό σου. Δεν το πιστεύω.
Τη θάλασσα τένισα και είδα ένα πουλάκι. Αυτό ξεκίνησε και πήγε να φάει ένα ψαράκι. Το ψαράκι όμως του ξεγλίστρισε και έφυγε με χάρη και τα άφησε το άμυρο με τίνγκα
Κλονάρι.
το κλονάρι.
Δεν πάει, αλλά όλα σε άλλο.
Κλονάρι, ξεξοκλονάρι,
έλεος.
μια χαρά πάει.
Δεν μπορώ.
Κόκκινα φεγγάρια, motorcycle, rosso.
The tank is in perfect condition.